a hidden corner of the village, Luli discovered an enchanted garden filled with glowing flowers and twinkling fireflies. Luli painted a butterfly, and to her surprise, it fluttered off the canvas and danced around her. Luli ran to show her best friend Peter. Together, they painted a rainbow, and suddenly, the sky lit up with shimmering colors. "This is amazing, Luli," Peter cheered. But just as they were having fun, a shadow loomed behind them. An old greedy man appeared. "Give me that brush. I'll paint gold and rule the world," he sneered. Instead of giving in, Luli painted a glowing sunrise, washing away the man's greed. As the garden bloomed once more, she smiled at Peter. "Magic isn't in the brush," she said. "It's in how we use it." And from that day on, Luli painted only to bring joy.
Hi guys, I am Sonrisa. In this video, I will show you step by step the process of creating this kind of video. You will need AI tools that can help you create an amazing animated story video like this one I just created. So let's get started. The first step in creating your animation video is using ChatGPT that can help you generate your story script for your video. In my case, I will ask ChatGPT to write a story about a girl named Luli, a 10-year-old, and the magic paintbrush. And from there, you can ask him to mention the story theme. The next thing to do is to give ChatGPT some specific details about your story as topic, theme, target audience age. Also, you should mention the character, what they wear, their age, their hair color, the hairstyle, the eyes color, all this detail, so that it will be generating prompts for images to know exactly what to generate. I have already written down all those details from my story. You can check it in the description section. So just copy and paste and press OK. To generate images through this story, you need to use Leonardo AI. To start, you need to have an account. Click on Get Started. Click on Image Creation. Come back to ChatGPT to copy the image prompt from the first scene. Paste it, and before press OK, you should fix the setting. Just open the tab, select Phonics 1.0, change prompt enhance from automatic to off, keep the other the same. The dimension 16.9, medium number of image 4, and press generate. As you can see, guys, this tool generates the details of the image. This girl, Luli, holding a paintbrush. They are so incredible. And to keep the same character, you should click on these three dots. click Copy Seed, and on the left side, Fixed Seed. So repeat the same process for the other scene. In fact, Leonardo AI automatically sets you up on its free plan when you sign up. With the free plan, you get 150 tokens every 8 hours, which roughly translates to 13 to 15 batches of images. Therefore, I have a trick for you guys. If you want to get more image in a short time, you can simply use many accounts. Making your video more engaging, adding professional quality voiceovers using 11 Labs. Click on Text-to-Speech, come back to ChatGPT, copy the narration scripts and paste it in the 11 Labs space. Pick one voice based on your animation theme and generate your voiceover. Copy and paste your scripts. The tool Link AI help you convert your image to video. To start, click on the AI videos on the left side, image to video, and select frames. Drop the first image and write the prompt Luli holding an old paintbrush. Keep the same setting, standard mode with 5 seconds, and press OK. After a few minutes, you will get your first video. Just download it. Drop the second image and write in the prompt section Luli impressed seeing the beauty of the butterfly. The same setting and click OK. Once you have all the images are converted into video, it is time to refine and polish your animation by using Capcut, the easy editing tool. What you want to do is import your media here, just upload your videos in the media panel. So once they are uploaded, you want to start with the first video. Grab and drag on the timeline. As you can see, there is a watermark of Link AI. What to do is so simple, just crop it. There is no watermark. The same for the other videos, just grab and drop it on the timeline. The next thing to do is adding transitions between your video. Select one of them and place it between the two videos like that. After importing the audio file, just grab and drop it on timeline. After that, you can adjust it. From there, you can add some captions in your story to make it more engaging. So what you want to do, just click on captions and you can change the fonts and the size, the color, the stroke, the background. I love to add a background to my story animation. I download it from Pixar. Adjust the volume. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.